Can I withdraw money from Monzo? Intro. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be answering the question that I get asked all the time. Can I withdraw money from Monzo? Before I get into the answer, I want to give a quick overview of Monzo. Monzo is a challenger bank that offers a range of financial products, including current accounts, credit cards, and overdrafts. One of the key features of Monzo is that it is a mobile-only bank, which means that you can access your account and manage your money using the Monzo app. So, can you withdraw money from Monzo? The answer is yes. There are a few different ways that you can do this. At an ATM, you can withdraw money from any ATM that displays the Visa or MasterCard logo. Just insert your Monzo card and enter your PIN. In-store, you can also withdraw money from some retailers, such as Tesco and Sainsbury's. To do this, you will need to use the Monzo app to generate a barcode. You can then scan this barcode at the checkout and the money will be credited to your account. Cashback. You can also get cashback at some retailers using your Monzo card. To do this, simply enter the amount of cashback you want at the checkout and the money will be credited to your account within a few minutes. Additional tips. Withdrawal limits. There are some limits to how much money you can withdraw from Monzo. The maximum amount you can withdraw in a day is £2,500. Fees. There are no fees for withdrawing money from Monzo at an ATM or in-store. However, there may be fees charged by the ATM or retailer. Currency. If you are traveling abroad, you can withdraw money in foreign currency from ATMs that display the Visa or MasterCard logo. However, you will be charged a fee for this. Conclusion. So, there you have it. You can withdraw money from Monzo in a number of different ways. I hope this information is helpful. Outro. Thanks for watching. If you have any other questions, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos on personal finance. Additional tips. You can also withdraw money from Monzo using the Monzo app. To do this, simply open the app and select the withdraw option. You can also set up a direct debit to transfer money from your Monzo account to another bank account. You can also use Monzo to send and receive money to other people. Outro. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.